everyone, I'm Ken. I'm gonna discuss about noun today. Noun are a part of speech typically denoting a person, place, thing, animal, or idea. In linguistics, a noun is a member of a large open lexical category whose member can occur as the main word in the subject of a clause, the object of a word, or the object of a preposition. Classification of nouns. Proper nouns and common nouns. A proper noun or proper name is a noun representing unique entities as distinguished from common nouns which describe a class of entities. Countable and uncountable nouns. Count nouns or countable nouns are common nouns that can take a plural, can combine with numerals or counting qualifiers. Collective nouns. Collective nouns are nouns that refers to a group consisting of more than one individual or entity, even when they are inflected for the singular.